This is DJ Blue.
Well is.
Oh.
Well is.
Ready? This is DJ Blue. Ready? Oh. Ready? This is DJ Blue. Oh.
Yes, spreading our wings this morning on Weekend Smile. Welcome back, guys. Now, Gabby Glam, co-founder and creative director of GlamCon, Gabrielle Waite, is here to talk us through a few timeless looks for the season and how you can master getting glammed at the second staging of GlamCon. Hi, Gabrielle. Welcome.
Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
You see the glam, right?
I see the glam.
Is that?
and she flipped her hair on us. I was like, okay, yeah.
Is this how you look like every day? Is that the
I
everyday
try.
Looking glam and beautiful.
Thank you very much.
So
sweetie.
beauty, brains, intelligence. Is that what this whole GlamCon movement is about? Is that what you were trying to push for? So it's not
is.
just the external, but on a higher level.
Exactly.
Got it.
So we're also having, it's a 2-day series. So we have the master class that is led by Hot Chick. So she is actually Jamaican. She's the lead makeup artist for Juvia's Place. So she's flying down and she's gonna give us some of her tips and tricks. But then on the Sunday, which is the next day at Spanish Court, we're having the expo. So we're supporting the local beauty brands.
Yes.
So they kind of have the opportunity to showcase their stuff.
Right.
We're mixing it with a few international brands as well. But you can come with your girlfriends, you can shop, and then we're having a panel discussion talking about these topics. So it's gonna be a fun day. It's just a time for you to just bring your girlfriends and have a fun weekend, a fun GNO. And we're just having giveaways.
Lots of giveaways.
Every
calls.
hour.
Yeah, lots of giveaways
on the hour.
calls, right?
She brought us a gift this
Yes,
morning.
okay.
Yes,
So
we're giving away something.
Tell her it's right on cue. Tell her, listen.
yeah,
I see a
she
gift.
saw that.
You got us a gift this
Oh,
morning,
of
so
course.
let's hear
Okay.
about it.
All right. So this is our glam goodie. So essentially, when you leave, you have the opportunity of purchasing our goodie, and it's a few items from a few of our glam sponsors and our glam exhibitors. So you can try out these products, and you can give your reviews on it, and you can do your own unboxing.
Let me give it over to Talia. Can we open it now, Talia? Can you do the
Was
Because we
that a
want
part
to
of the
see.
plan?
I don't know. Can we see what's in here?
You can.
You can.
You
Okay.
can.
Or
Let's not
maybe-
reveal. It's
yeah, I
like
think
presents for our patrons when they come.
She wants it to be a surprise.
It's a surprise.
I got it. All right, so talk to us.
All right.
This is year 2. What was year 1 like for you for GlamCon?
Okay, so year 1 we had Baby. She was the makeup artist. She worked with Cardi B and Nicki Minaj and Trey
Okay.
Songz. So she came down to teach us some of, the experience of what it's like working with these celebrities. And, a lot of persons were like, oh my God. We had a few persons, a part of our panel discussion last year. We had Cortia, we had Shanice Allen, we had Wynette Strawn.
Okay.
And our hosts were Candy King and Rush Cam. So it was absolutely
energy.
amazing
High
last year. It
energy.
was so
I'm
much
sure
fun.
The second staging is going to be even bigger. It's going to be even
It's
better.
much bigger. This year it's a 2-day thing.
extraordinary.
Last year it was just 1 day. It was on a Sunday, and everyone had so much fun. You couldn't stop talking about it. So this year it's a 2-day thing. So our masterclass is actually sponsored by Black Radiance.
I think we have a video, Gabrielle.
Oh,
Yes, we do. So we're going to take a look at that. Let's see, GlamCon.
For GlamCon Jamaica, I'll be teaching their masterclass on December 7th, and I'll be hosting their beauty expo on December 8th. Tickets are on sale now. Follow GlamCon Jamaica for more details and click the link in their bio to purchase tickets. See you guys soon.
See you guys soon.
Yeah,
indeed.
she's so excited, and we're so excited to have her.
And
can't wait.
I should ask you, what are you most looking forward to seeing from the experience, the entire GlamCon experience this year? What are you most looking forward to?
I think I'm more looking forward to just the excitement from the patrons and the surprises that we have. I mean, last year we didn't have as many giveaways, but we had so many fun activities, and we have that still this year, but we've added the twist of having giveaways every hour on the hour.
Okay.
So Christmas time, time for
giveaways.
giving. So that's what it's all about.
So you have to also give us just a few tips, like just on
Right.
what's trending, right?
Okay,
And then you have to tell us
definitely.
the exact date and exactly where it's going to be happening. So
No
give us
problem.
some
Yes.
trends, what's happening for the season.
Okay, so for the Christmas season, it's all about glitters and metallics. You can play with it, you can have fun with it, and you can also add a little color,
Okay.
like in the inner tear dust, the waterline, and you know the classic winged liner and red lip is
Red lip.
timeless
Yes.
and works for everything. And then you can also, if you don't want the red lip, you can wear gloss, and you can be very glossy and just have fun with
All right,
it.
so give us all the information again on when GlamCon is happening.
So on the Saturday at 7 p.m. at
What
Jam
date?
Pro, December 7th.
December 7th.
Right.
December 8th, Sunday, is the expo at Spanish Court, Worthington, all day from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay.
And we have everything for you guys. Everything.
All right, so we should look out for all the glitz, the glam, all the glitters, the red lips, all those trends for Christmas.
Yes,
Love
yes,
it.
yes.
And
yes,
where
yes,
can we
yes,
find you on social
Yes.
media?
GlamCon JA.
GlamCon J.
GlamCon JA.
That's right. It's
Yes.
being a glamorous icon. That's really what it boils down to. Being the glamorous icon that
And
you
we're seeing
are.
some great looks
Let's
on,
get
on
glammed.
screen.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Wow,
And
that
those are the
eyeshadow.
trends. Those are the trends.
Those
That-
are the
That
trends.
of course.
Is it that Christmas time you have to be a little bit more bold, a little bit more
Yeah,
flashy?
you
Is it-
bold and flashy and more playful because
Okay.
you know it's to go off with the season. So yeah, just all about being fun.
And we'll be seeing some of these looks at GlamCon.
Of course you will be. Can I mention a few of my sponsors?
Oh, I think so, yeah.
Of course, great, thank you. Okay, so we couldn't have done this without Black Radiance, who's actually be leading our masterclass. Sparkling Crown Water, Eden Gardens, Maybelline, Sleek, Mirror, Grey Goose, Gabriella's Cosmetics, Playing with Yolanda, Petals and Promises, Caribbean Dreams, Play Media, and of course, Chilling Restaurants.
All right,
Gotcha.
I'm sure when they hear all those sponsors, they're gonna be looking out for giveaways.
You see how many sponsors we have? Giveaways every hour, on the hour.
So much.
Gift every hour on the hour. Gabby
hour.
Glam, co-founder and creative director of GlamCon. Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you so much
here.
for having me.
All right, guys. So with that said, what time it is now? Is it time to open the gift while we go to our break, or what we're doing?
Can I?
Can I
open it?
get?
It's okay.
Just take a peek.
Can I
All
take a
right.
peek?
Yes. So Gabrielle says we could take a peek. Just a little peek, Tally.
All right, just a little.
Just. Can you open it?
No, I
It's
feel like
naughty.
Gabby. Yeah,
All right, let's-
Gabby, I feel like you did that on purpose.
Sabotage. Sabotage.
Gabby, I feel like you
Sabotage.
tricked me, Gabby, but it's
Guys.
okay. I will be looking forward to your gifts every hour on the hour.
For more information, remember to visit at GlamCon on social media. And again, thank you so much to Gabby Glam, co-founder and creative director of GlamCon, Gabrielle Waite. Thank you so
All
much,
right,
Gabby.
guys, we'll be right back after the break. We'll come back.
Ready. This is DJ Blue.
Oh, you're me.
Front way, back way.